Hello everyone, this is me Aditya, your master teacher of mathematics and statistics, and you're watching Vedantu Commerce. We are having this session for a very great purpose. We are about to discuss what is IPMAT, how to enroll in IIMs after your 12th. We will understand what is the importance of the IPM program, what is the importance of IPMAT, who can watch this video, what stream will get the maximum benefit from this video, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the subject, what is the syllabus, what subjects you have to read, you have to study, what books you can refer, what benefit you can get from doing this program IPMAT. We will discuss everything. So let's start with the first thing, that who can watch this video. So guys, if you're from the science background, having the maths, or if you're having the biology, you can get the benefit from this. If you're from the commerce background, or if you're from the arts background, humanities, whatever field. So basically, in short, if you're from any field, this video is for you. Now, we are going to talk about the management field. First of all, IIM is for Indian Institute of Management. Basically, if you are having a thought ki I wanted to be at top level management of some company, or at some middle level management of some company, then definitely you might be having some MBA program in your mind. Is it? Yes or no? Let's do some 3 or 4 year bachelor's degree, and then you will give the examination GAT, and then you will join 2-year program of MBA. But I think that is somewhere a problem, and now we are having a solution. The problem is you are spending your 4 years in doing bachelor's of technology. You are spending some 3 years in doing bachelor's of law. You are spending your times in bachelor of economics, or bachelor's of commerce, bachelor's of statistics. You are spending your time over there, or might be you are in the medical field. You're spending your 3 years, 4 years, 5 years in some other field, and then one day you have a thought, let's get a job in management field. The reason might be anything. The question arises, the problem is that you have spent some 3-4 years, and now you are having just 2 years of experience. As per the company are looking, that you are having just 2 years of experience, the skill set. The 2 years of management program, MBA program. Now, here comes the IIM Indore with a very good planning. Let's come up with a solution. And I think this is a very nice idea they come up with. They started a program called as IPM, Integrated Program in Management. What exactly is this? They said, instead of appearing for IIM, earlier there was no option. To appear in the IIM, earlier there was no option. Now, they are providing the option that now you can enroll in the IIM even after the class 12th by giving the examination IPMAT. What they are offering? They are offering integrated program in management. What exactly is this? Integrated program in management. A program in management. ये तो clear हुआ, but what is the meaning of integrated? It's the 5-year program, and what is integrated? A bachelor's degree and a master's degree. You can say in total it's a BBA plus MBA, but more practical and with a very world-class faculty, and with a very high skills that you will be given. Internships, you might go you might join some company even for the placements. You can work over there. You might visit outside of India, having the internship somewhere. You are having a very nice scope. Getting your point? So this program says, instead of going or wasting your time in other fields, since you already know that you wanted to be in the management, then why to wait for 3-4 years to study in the IIM? We are offering you. IIM Indore started it since. So they said, let's come up with some program which can which can allow students to learn even after passing class 12, and they started a test, IPMAT. Now you understand what is the importance, how it has started. IPMAT, Integrated Program in Management Aptitude Test. And after IIM Indore, there comes IIM Rohtak, and then many IIMs like IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, these are the main, and then IIM Ranchi, Jharkhand, then IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya, Bihar, and there is a one more college which is Nirma University Institute of Management, Allahabad, Ahmedabad, sorry. So these colleges have integrated program in management. What is the benefit of it, this program? The very first thing is, if you wanted to do in management after spending your 3-4 years in some other field and then coming through the CAT or any other examination and joining some college, let's suppose you have cleared the CAT examination, Common Aptitude Test, and you wanted to join IIM. Those who do not know what is IIM, it's Indian Institute of Management. It's the most prestigious and the top college in the country for pursuing your management programs. Fine. इतना इंट्रोडक्शन काफी अपने लिए फिलहाल के लिए. Now coming back to the point, अभी आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, you're getting an opportunity that you can learn instead of just spending 2 years in management field. Now you can start your career in the management. Earlier there was no option. There was option of BBA, but BBA is more like a theoretical course. You're not getting the hands-on experience, but this course is giving you the experience, the skill set that is required to work in the a top level management or the middle level management. IIM does not offer BBA program, so that's the another disadvantage of doing BBA first and then giving the CAT examination and MBA. अभी आपकी choice है कि having a BBA and then doing the MBA, or you can go for this integrated program in management. These 5-6 colleges, these 5-6 institutes offer IPM program. Now, IPMAT is not just conducted by IIM Indore. There are 2 IPMAT. One is IPMAT Indore and other is IPMAT Rohtak. Now, as I said, IPMAT Indore, IIM Indore started this program, and then Rohtak comes in the picture. And after later, IIM Ranchi, IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, they also started. Now they are not having their separate examination, but they do offer IPMAT score. I would say go for IIM Indore. There is a official their websites. You can go over there. You can fill your application and go for both, not just one. Okay, so you will not have the problem ki at some place you might say that IPM Rohtak scorecard is not valid, but IIM Indore IPMAT Indore scorecard is valid everywhere because since it started. But doesn't matter, IPMAT Rohtak or Indore. I hope the point is clear. You have to give both examination. Now let's learn about what exactly that you are going to have in the examination. Okay, you have understood what is the advantage of it. Okay, now let's start with IPMAT Indore. IPMAT Indore is having an examination which is having 100 questions. These 100 questions is divided into 3 sections. Basically, technically there are 2 sections. One is quantitative aptitude and one is your verbal ability. 4 marks will be awarded for every right answer and 1 mark will be deducted for every wrong answer. But as I said, 3 sections, but I have told you just 2. The reason being is quantitative ability is further divided into 2 sections. What is that? One is quantitative ability, your MCQ based question, and one is your short answer. You just write down the numerical. There is no options will be given. In case of short answer type questions, you will not be given any kind of options and hence no negative marking will be there. I hope it's clear. Now let's come to the IPMAT Rohtak. They are having 120 questions, 40 questions in each section, and three sections. One is quantitative ability, one is verbal ability, and other is logical reasoning. They all are MCQ based. Paper is clear, like what is the pattern of the paper, and now it comes what book you should refer. See, I can tell you 4-5 books, but again then you will be confusing, so let's read all of them. I personally prefer just one book, stick to one book, or at max two. One is your Arun Sharma, and other book is your R.S. Agrawal. No other book needed to clear this examination. They are having their books in both the sections: quantitative ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Verbal ability means they are having some questions from the English language. Clear? Till here it's clear? Now, we have talked about how IPM starts, what is its importance, what is the benefit of it, and then we have also talked about what exactly this particular exam is having. Okay, 3 sections or 2 sections, how many questions it will be having, what books you can refer. Now, coming back to the same, one more point. Who can give this examination? There are 2 basic eligibility criteria. The very first eligibility criteria can be fulfilled by all of you. The criteria is, see, IIM Indore is having the criteria that you must be younger than 22 years. यानी कि आप 22 साल से छोटे होने चाहिए. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if you're passing your 12th, you will be somewhere around 15, 16 or 18. अगर भाई 20 से ऊपर तो अलग बात है. बट जनरली हम सब इसी एज में अपना 12 खत्म करते हैं. 14, 15, 16. Yes or no? Or at max 18. इससे ऊपर नहीं जाओगे आप. Ready? But IIM Rohtak is saying that the eligibility criteria is 20. You must be younger than 20 years old. आप 20 साल से छोटे होने चाहिए. But again, as I've said, this criteria will be fulfilled by 90 and most of you. Because if you are in the class 12th, you will be giving this examination, and while giving the examination, you will be somewhere around 17, 18, 16, 17, 18. आप इतने के ही होंगे अभी फिलहाल. Yes or no? So there is no problem in this criteria. And IIM Jammu does not have any criteria for this. Now, there's one more criteria that you must be giving the examination in either in 2020 or 2021 or in 2022. As of now. So basically that you will be having your board examination this year. So you can say that you can give this examination for 2 more years after passing your 12th. Again, if you will count the age factor, you will be at most passing your 12th at the age of 18. You will not be older than this. So by 20 you would have taken all the attempts for these IPMAT exam. So there is no problem in these 2 criteria. Now, the third criteria is very important, which is 60% marks if you are general or OBC category, 60% marks in your 12th board examination. So I hope you all are targeting much higher than this. Okay, so you can target 70, 80 or at least 90 or whatever it is, but make sure that you are having more than this, because at many places this is the basic criteria of 60%. I hope this point is clear. Now, we have talked about the eligibility criteria. Now, coming to the next part. अब अगले part की तरफ चलते हैं. You have filled the form, as I have told you. The link will be there is an official website of IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, so you can fill it from there. If you are eligible, you can fill this examination. You can start your preparation. You are having the book guidance. You know what subjects going to become. Now, what after completing the graduation from IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, and other 4 IIM and the other college, Nirma University, Institute of Management. What after this? What is a placement scenario? Is it really worth, or like it does not have any sense to join? Now, let's see the picture. Normally, see, if you want to do MBA, I would say go for go for top colleges, not just IIMs. There are many other colleges who are offering really very good program, and they are really offering very good packages. But if you compare, let's say इंजीनियरिंग की बात कर लेते हैं, और लेट्स से कॉमर्स की बात कर लेते हैं. So let's talk about the Bachelor of Commerce, and you're having the masters after in the same field, in the same stream. It is having a very low placement, you can say, scenario. It's a very low. Then comes to Bachelor of Technology Engineering. The average is somewhere around 3 to 5 lakh. But if you are from the very good college, you might be having the average some 8, 9 or 10. Around इतना ही आपका average होगा. ठीक है? If you will be doing, let's say, Bachelor's Law, you will be having the same category. Okay? BBA करोगे तो भी आपको उतना ही मिल जाएगा. But this one is having a really, you can say, a very good package over here. The average is somewhere around 15 to 17 lakhs. This is the average. The highest would go till 50 lakhs per annum, around approximately. So I think this is a very nice investment. Now, let's compare your placement scenario with your investment also. So if you are enrolling, you will be investing somewhere around, in this 5 years, you will be investing somewhere around 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs. करीबन 20 से 30 लाख आप invest करोगे इन 5 सालों के अंदर, but the return is very very nice. You will be covering all your expenses in 2 years maximum. आप 2 साल के अंदर you will be having it. The third benefit that you will be having, that you are having a tag of IIM, and at the very early phase, you are having a very nice experience, more experience than the person who has cleared the who have cleared the CAT examination to take the admission in IIM. So you are having much more advantage. One more point, that the maximum, as I said, is somewhere around 50 lakhs, but that is not the barrier. You can break this high end, and you can, I wish you all that you will be having 60, 70 or 80 lakhs per annum or more than that. It depends completely on your dedication towards this course. Fine. Now, what are other benefits? So we have talked about the like, you will be having a very good package, you will be having the very good tag at the early phase of the life, you will be having a very handful experience at the early phase of the life. You have worked more if you have joined a IIM college at the early phase rather than joining later. तो ये सब benefits आपको मिलने वाले हैं. I hope that the whole video is very clear to you. What are the benefits? What is the eligibility criteria? What are the books? What is the syllabus? What is the importance of this? So this is all, guys. But still, if you are having any doubts, make sure that you ask your question in the comment section. If you really love this video, make sure to appreciate through your comments. Comments के थ्रू आप बता सकते हो कैसा video लगा. This is all for the day, and if you're having any question, make sure that you are asking. I will really be happy to solve your query. This is all of the day. Bye bye, good night, take care, see you all in the next video.